Rendering face is quite similar to doing makeup. So in this video, I'm gonna try to follow some makeup tutorials to render my drawing. First, we just need to find a makeup tutorial that I can easily follow since I don't know how to do makeup in real life. And I ended up picking this one since it's a bit more similar to digital art, and this is the eyeshadow I'll be going for since I wanna go a bit extra. So we'll need to put foundation first and then concealer. She's not putting any powder, so we'll proceed to contouring her face. Before doing the rest, I'll give her some juicy lips first. I'll render some parts so she will look less scary and plain. Now, it's the part that I've been waiting for, the eyeshadow. I mostly used the felt tip and hard brush. I just kept adjusting the opacity. You could literally make a masterpiece with just one brush and one layer. Just keep adjusting the opacity of the brush and you're good. Well, maybe it also depends on your art style and what you prefer, but I mostly prefer lesser brushes than layers since it's more easier and convenient, I guess. But sometimes when I want to add something to my drawing that I might regret later, I'll add more layers so I could just easily delete that layer because I don't want to do a lot. I actually came from having 20 to 30 plus layers, and this is my recent drawing. Still a bit more a lot, but But I don't get confused when there's a stray brushstroke anymore since it's more easier to find. Now let's give her highlights to make her pop more. Give her some low quality hair, and this is how it turned out. It's great, I guess. I did had some fun while doing this, so